Hello viewers, welcome back to Kala Style. In this video, let me see how to make easy and quick recipe coconut pulao. This is perfect recipe for your lunchbox. We'll see the steps to make. Come on, let me begin. Take 1 glass of basmati rice. Wash it 2 to 3 times. Add water to this. Soak for 20 minutes. Take a pressure cooker, add 6 to 7 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, you can add the 15 number of cashew nuts. Roast it well until it turns to golden color. Yes, now you can remove the cashew nuts alone and keep it aside. To this add 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 small inch of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Saute it well for 2 minutes. Now add 1 large size of onions. Cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes or until the onions get soft. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Again cook for 2 minutes. To this add 3 number of green chilies. Now add 1.5 glass of coconut milk. For 1 cup of basmati rice, 1.5 cup of coconut milk will be perfect. To this add salt to taste and mix it well. At this stage, you can add the basmati rice, drain the complete water and you can add the rice. Mix it well. Now you can close the lid. Allow for only 2 whistles. Once the pressure gets released, you can open the lid. Now you can add the cashew nuts and finely chopped coriander leaves. Give a gentle mix. Now transfer this into serving bowl. Our coconut pulao is ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, give like button. Subscribe my channel Kala Style. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.